There is more to the 2026 Porsche Motorhome than just an RV. This car's curved carbon fiber bodywork makes it easy to identify it as a novel kind. Its aerodynamic, low-slung profile and unique Porsche design language are showcased in its breathtaking look, from the instantly identifiable headlight form to the smooth, pop-out door handles. This is not just a show, it's a performance. An amazing 950 horsepower is produced by a powerful, all-electric drivetrain that includes 2 motors beneath the body. The powerful EV system's quick torque allows this opulent residence on wheels to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in an incredible 4.9 seconds. Thanks to a new solid-state battery, this campervan fulfills its promise of adventure with the speed and economy you would expect from a Porsche. As soon as you step inside the cockpit, you are thrust into a world of advanced technology. The dashboard has a single, sweeping OLED monitor that displays your speed and remaining range in addition to a 360-degree autonomous driving interface. The Alcantara-wrapped steering wheel is based on the 918 Spyder and has integrated media and navigation systems. AI-powered voice commands allow you to operate the living space, find your location, and adjust the temperature without ever taking your hands off the wheel. The massaging sports seat and full electronic adjustment of the driver's seat make even the longest ride seem easy. The living area is a simple luxury treasure outside the cockpit. The inside walls are decorated with high-tech smart glasses that can be adjusted to give you a panoramic view of your surroundings or covered for privacy. Examples of modular furniture include a sofa that electrically retracts to create more floor space and a dining table that easily folds into the wall. A luxury and tranquil atmosphere is created by the use of soft vegan leather, brushed metal, and natural wood on all surfaces. The entire RV is transformed into a private performance space with a state-of-the-art sound system, and the space is kept clutter-free using motorized cabinets and concealed compartments. When you need to unwind, the master bedroom offers a tranquil haven. A king-sized bed with an orthopedic mattress is located in a peaceful area. A comfortable and peaceful night's sleep is ensured by the sound-absorbing walls of the bedroom. Because it can be retractable, a 55-inch OLED screen at the foot of the bed is perfect for watching movies at night. A realistic night sky is projected onto the ceiling when the smart glass windows are in the starlight mode, creating a serene ambience. The bathroom is where the high-tech sophistication of the RV is most evident. A computerized control panel may be used to accurately manage the temperature, pressure, and even the steam function of a huge walk-in shower. The toilet is a heated, self-cleaning machine, and the vanity includes an illuminated mirror with integrated facial recognition. Every surface is composed of a seamless, smooth composite material that perfectly captures Porsche's distinctive blend of design and utility. In addition to being aesthetically beautiful, it is also incredibly simple to maintain and clean. The galley kitchen is a chef's dream come true since it blends style and utility. Beneath a sleek black granite countertop is a tiny, deep basin sink with an intelligent faucet and a retractable 2-burner induction cooktop. The refrigerator and full-sized freezer complement the cabinets well. It's easy to prepare delicious meals when you combine a microwave and convection oven, and clever storage ideas keep all of your equipment and utensils out of sight but yet within reach. The kitchen of the Porsche Motorhome is the ideal example of how sophisticated design can be enjoyed without sacrificing comfort.